Hey there, sunshine. So here in my hands today, I have my, what month is it? March Smartass and Sass box. So before we get into this unboxing, I always like to put out a little bit of a disclaimer. If you have small children, I would highly recommend clicking off of this video or watching something else. I really try to do my very best to make this channel as family friendly as possible. But if you don't want your children or your teenagers to hear cuss words or highly suggestive themes, this is not the video. I would recommend watching something else on my channel. But with that said, hey, how are you? I hope you're doing well. I hope you and your family are healthy. I hope you and your family are happy. These are sad times that we are living in, but that's okay because everything will get better. Everything will go back to being okay. And until then, I am here to do my part into bringing some light and joy into your lives. So here in my hands, I have my March Smartass and Sass. I am very excited to see what is inside of this month's box. It's very heavy. Like, it feels like a brick. Like, it feels like if I slap somebody in the face with this, they would not be okay. So let's see what this month's theme is. It says Hot Mess Experts. That's me. Oh my gosh. I seriously, yeah, I look like I have a lot of my life together, but I really, really don't. I don't. Okay. So, whew, that's a lot of pink snakes. So the first thing that I'm pulling out are these socks that say, "Not today, Satan." Oh, I'm going to walk into church wearing these when church becomes a thing again because, you know, the quarantine. Oh, I love how, like, bright and colorful these are. Like, these, like, I could see, not that I have grandparents, but if I did, I could see my grandparents like walking in and like my grandma like wearing these because of the very friendly, fun pattern, and then not realizing what the text says. So that's fun. Okay, I'm gonna move these snakes and then we're gonna see what's inside of here. I'm so excited for this next thing. It's a little wooden spoon. Here's my hand and arm. For sizing reference, I have small hands. But that's a small little spoon. Okay, it says, "I'm not a hot mess, I'm a spicy disaster." I love this so much. This is so cute. But the little bottom part is what says the fun little text. Okay, so the next thing that I'm pulling out is this fun metal tin. It says, let me turn it the right way around so I can read it. I swear I have it all together. I just forgot where I put it. That's so fun. Okay, seriously though, the designs, like the patterns on these boxes are so freaking cute. I love this. This is so cute. So it's just a little tin. Amazing. Super beautiful. Love the color scheme of this. It's absolutely beautiful. Okay, so the next thing that I pulled out are like, I don't know, I got two cards. So I'm going to read this one. It says Sassy Stickers by Smartass and Sass. Oh, it's a little sticker. Oh, okay, that's so cute. Ooh. It says adulting. 1 out of 5 stars, would not recommend. So cute. Okay, and then I got this, which I think actually might be the card to a product in here. So it says Pinch Me Therapy Dough. Oh, that's this. Okay. Say hello to Pinch Me, a holistic, drug-free, portable stress reduction tool. Simply squeeze, knead, or mold it. Okay. Let's get this bad boy open. Let us all enjoy some stress-free time. Okay, I'm really excited to see what this smells like. Or mold it while you're reading, studying, watching TV, in a meeting, or anywhere you want to unwind. For a refreshing twist, pop your Pinch Me into the fridge. Ooh, the chill dough keeps its... Ooh, that's so fun. I wish I could smell better. Like, it smells like Play-Doh, but like minty Play-Doh. I don't know. My sense of smell is not good. The chill dough keeps it cool, so you can too. When you're done, just drop it back in the container and twist the lid on and tuck it away until next time. Every Pinch Me purchase helps fund our mission to pay it forward by supporting the Wounded Warrior Project. Yes. Okay. For that, we thank you. Okay, this is so legit. This is like freaking legit. I'm really freaking excited right now. Okay. I don't want to touch this. That's so cool. I'm so fascinated. Okay, I'm gonna touch it though. Ooh, it's like Play-Doh, and I messed up the Pinch Me, and I'm sad. Okay, so this is really cool. I don't want to take the whole thing out because knowing me, and like you've been with me hopefully through almost this entire unboxing, and we know that I don't have my stuff together, and so I have a feeling that I'm going to take this out and I'm going to drop it on my pants, and then it just wouldn't be a fun time because then I'd have Play-Doh pants, and then that just wouldn't be fun. Okay, so I think I have like a couple more items in here. The next thing that I'm pulling out is this. Oh, I love the Smartass and Sass pens. I seriously have so many of them on my desk. I just love them. Overthinking is my jam. Look, I would love to keep getting one of these in everyone's box. That would make me so happy. So this is super duper cute. Okay, so we have two more things in here. I have this purple cloth, which I kind of really hope it's a kitchen towel. Soft, stylish, super absorbent towel. It's a towel. It says, not my circus, not my monkeys. Love it. I love the color too. It's so pretty. Oh, there's a little circus scene in the back. That's so cute. Okay, I'm going to use this as a kitchen towel. That's what I'm gonna do. And then the last thing we have in this month's box is this candle, which I'm very excited about. It says Chill Bitch Scent Breathe Girl Down Soy Wax Blended Candle. Okay, so I don't know what Smell Bitch is, or I'm sorry, I don't know what Chill Bitch is supposed to smell like, but I wish I had a better sense of smell, but to me that kind of smells like Fruit Loops. Like, I'm down for that. Okay. Hand poured in the USA. Yeah. It doesn't give me a scent profile on it, but hopefully our Smartass and Sass box will. So let's go through, or let's read the card together to learn about the whole value of this box. The wooden spoon has a retail value of $8. Pro tip, it's 8 inches. There we go. Now we know the size of it. The Not Today Satan knit socks have a retail value of $12. The Overthinking is my jam. And the sticker, oh, the pen has a retail value of $1.50. The sticker has a retail value of $3. The towel has a retail value of $12.95. The I Swear I Have It All Together tin has a retail value of $12. The 9-ounce soy candle has a retail value of $17. And the Cheaper Than Therapy dough has a retail value of $14.99. Next month's theme is supposed to be Domestic as Hell, which I'm all about. I'm so excited for this one because I'm hoping it's like 50s vibe and like pinup and vintage, and that's just what I love. So I'm really hoping that's what this is. But I'm very happy with this month's box. I love how different it is. We got some different items. Everything was really fun. I feel like everything was actually very useful. So what was your favorite item in this month's Smartass and Sass box? I can't wait to hear what your thoughts are in the comment section down below. I love you all so much, and I'll see you in my next video.